Welcome back to HahuTube. This video covers questions 21 to 40 from the Grade 6 PSLCE 2015 English paper, dialogue, a reading passage, vocabulary, and writing skills. Pause after every question and answer before I reveal the solution. Let's continue.
Question number 21. Between Henok and Sanait. Henok asks, which do you like better, summer or winter? Sanait, the weather is good in summer season. So, what will be the correct answer for Sanait to fill at the beginning of the blank? A. I don't like summer. B. Summer is bad season. C. I like summer. D. I dislike summer. The answer is I like summer. Because when asked a preference question, which do you like better? The direct response is to state your preference. Hence, the complete sentence will be when Henok asks, which do you like better, summer or winter? Sanait should say, I like summer. The weather is good in summer season. Question number 22. Between friend and you. Friend asks, what does your mother looks like? What should be the response from you? A. She is a nurse. B. She speaks English. C. She has two brothers. Or D. She is tall and beautiful. The answer is she is tall and beautiful because the question asks about physical appearance. Look like, it says here. Option D describes her height and beauty. Question number 23. Between Nardos and Johannes. Nardos asks, what do you think about air pollution? What will be the response from Johannes? A. I like my school. B. I think it's bad. C. What is air pollution? D. Good morning, Johannes. The answer will be I think it's bad because this response provides a direct opinion as requested by what do you think. Hence, the answer from Johannes should be I think it's bad when Nardos asks what do you think about air pollution. Question number 24, between friend and you again. Friend says, money is better than knowledge. And you says, it's less important. What will be the response at the beginning? A. I don't agree. B. You are correct. C. That's true. D. I agree with you. The answer should be I don't agree. Because this is a common dialogue structure where a student is expected to express disagreement with a controversial or incorrect opinion. Hence, when the sentence is completed, it would be when friend asks, money is better than knowledge, and you should say, I don't agree, it's less important. Question number 25. Between your friend and you. Your friend asks, I have got a bad toothache. What do you advise me to do? What will be the response from you? A. You are a grade 6 student. B. You should stop eating sweets. C. Where is the clinic? D. I totally disagree with you. The answer will be you should stop eating sweets. Should is used to give advice. Avoiding sweet is standard health advice for a toothache. Question number 26. Between a guest and a police officer. The guest asks, how can I get to the hospital, please? What will be the response from the police officer? A. Go straight along this way, then turn left at the crossroad. B. Take care, there are many thieves. C. What can I help you, please? D. Thank you very much. Did you say go straight along this way, then turn left at the crossroad? That's right, because the question asks for directions. How can I get to? So option A provides clear navigational instructions. The next part is vocabulary. Question number 27 says, Adane scored 3 goals in the match. His role was vital to win. What is the meaning of the word vital? A. Dangerous. B. Important. C. Small. Or D. Bad. Did you say important? That's right, because vital means essential, crucial, or very important. Question number 28. Please obey the traffic rules. Cross the zebra lines when the lights are red. What does obey mean? A. Follow. B. Forget. C. Break. D. Right. The answer is follow, because obey in the context of rules means to follow or comply with them. Question number 29. As it rained well last week, farmers have started to plant their farmlands. A. Harvest. B. Grow. C. Crop. Or D. Plow. The answer is plow, because plowing is the first step farmers take to prepare the soil after rain before planting seeds. Hence, the complete sentence will be, as it rained well last week, farmers have started to plow their farmlands.
How did you do in the conversation questions? Write your mini score in the comments. If you want a separate speaking practice video, type speak below.
Question number 30. Waste product that comes from factories should be managed carefully to avoid environmental A. Growth. B. Science. C. Pollution. Or D. Production. The answer is pollution. Unmanaged factory waste leads to environmental pollution. Hence, the complete sentence will be, waste product that comes from factories should be managed carefully to avoid environmental pollution. The next part is comprehension part 2. Here is a passage titled Insects. Insects are a kind of animal. Insects can be found all over the world. Ants, grasshoppers, butterflies, and bees are some common insects. Insects are invertebrates, so they don't have backbones. They have exoskeletons. This means they have their bones on the outside, like a shell. Some insects, like butterflies, can change as they grow. Insects always have 6 legs. If something has 8 legs, like spiders, it's not an insect. Insects usually have 3 body parts. The head is where the eye, mouth, and brain are. The thorax is where the legs and wings connect. And the abdomen is where the guts and organs are. Based on this passage, answer the following questions. Question number 31. Which one is an example of an insect? A. Spider. B. Ostrich. C. Butterfly. Or D. Snake. Did you say ostrich? Never. The correct answer will be butterfly, because the text lists butterflies as common insects. Spiders are especially mentioned as not being insects because they have 8 legs. Question number 32. Which one is true about insects? A. Are not animal. B. Have more than 6 legs, C. Have backbones, or D. Are found everywhere? The correct answer for this question will be are found everywhere. The first paragraph states insects can be found all over the world. Question number 33. How many legs do insects have? A. 8, B. 6, C. 3, D. 4. The answer will be 6, because the text explicitly says insects always have 6 legs. Question number 34. The correct order of insects' body parts in the passage is A. Thorax, head, abdomen, B. Head, thorax, abdomen, C. Thorax, abdomen, head, or D. Abdomen, head, thorax. The answer will be head, thorax, and abdomen, because the passage describes the parts in this sequence: 1. Head, 2. Thorax, and 3. Abdomen. Question number 35. What are invertebrates? A. Animals with backbones, B. Animals with wings, C. Animals without backbones, D. Animals with 2 legs. If you say animals without backbones, that's right, because the text defines invertebrates by saying they do not have backbones. The next part is writing scale. Question number 36. Which one is a sentence? A. English language, B. My father is, C. The book on the table, D. I read the book. The correct answer is I read the book, because a complete sentence must have a subject and a verb and express a complete thought. Option A, B, and C are phrases or fragments. Hence, I read the book is the correct sentence. Question number 37. Solomon likes fruits, but Beza likes vegetables. This is A. Simple sentence, B. Complex sentence, C. Compound sentence, or D. Compound complex sentence. The answer is compound sentence, because a compound sentence consists of 2 independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction like but. Question number 38. Helen is very beautiful. She has a long nose, big eyes, and long hair. Also, she is tall. This is an example of A. Descriptive writing, B. Narrative writing, C. Argumentative writing, or D. Expository writing. If you say descriptive writing, that's right, because descriptive writing uses details to paint a picture of a person, place, or thing. Question number 39. Which one is correctly written sentence? A. I have 2 brothers. B. 2 brothers have I. C. Brothers I too have. Or D. I too have brothers. The correct answer is I have 2 brothers, because English sentence structure follows the subject, verb, object, or SVO pattern. Hence, I have 2 brothers will be the correct answer for this question. Question number 40. We visited Unity Park yesterday. First, we visited different wild animals in the zoo. Then we visited the palace. This is an example of A. Descriptive writing, B. Expository writing, C. Argumentative writing, or D. Narrative writing. The answer is narrative writing, because narrative writing tells a story or a sequence of events, often using time marks like first and then.
Great job completing questions 21 to 40. What's your cumulative score out of 40? Comment below. If you enjoyed this format, like and subscribe, and get the full paper from our Telegram channel, HahuTube. See you in other subjects.